it's gorgeous. I mean, every year the IFTA gets bigger, it gets better, it gets slicker, and you look around, they're toasting, serious global stars.
Just meeting the people, I suppose. There's so many great Irish actors and directors.
My wife, Sinead Cusack, is nominated, and in the faint chance that she may win the award, she'll need someone to pick it up and bring it home. It's always a great excuse to be in Dublin and to see all one's friends. So it was a no-brainer, really, to come.
It's absolutely fantastic. The best thing about it really is that I've worked with every single person in the room practically. There's a lot of people here. And it's to celebrate Irish film really. We made a film called The Stag this year, and we made it for very little money, and it's done brilliantly with Irish audience. It was a #1 comedy in Ireland. And a lot of my mates are nominated tonight, and we're just going to have a really great time. Yeah.
It's wonderful to be nominated by your peers at home. And I think the IFTAs are tremendously important because they give that extra boost to the industry, the young Irish film industry. And we're finally getting the international recognition, and films are being sold overseas, and that's wonderful.
Well, I think it's an important occasion because it highlights, if you like, particularly how far we've come. They're honouring Michael D. Higgins tonight, and I go back to when we brought Braveheart in here, and Michael D. was very, very important to that venture. So a lot of programming has been made here and distributed internationally as a result of those efforts at that time. So tonight is rather special because we're honouring Michael D. tonight and many others in Irish film and television.
I came home 3 weeks ago to work on a film in the Kingdom of Kerry. We're shooting in Sneem. So it's wonderful that it coincided with the IFTAs because oftentimes I don't get the chance to be here this time of year. I could always fly, but I'm with the kids over there and et cetera, et cetera. So it's wonderful to be here, and I get to catch up with people I haven't seen in a while and get a few hugs, and yeah, it's nice to be home and be here to celebrate Irish talent.
Just nice to come home and see old friends and colleagues that I haven't seen in a while. My family are here, but just to encourage, I think, the next generation as well, to really inspire, hopefully, kids to get involved in the industry. I think one thing that we've always been good at here is telling stories, and we have a long list of poets, playwrights.
But we're delighted to be here because the reception that we had for the film in Ireland is fantastic. People understood what it was about, and I hope the conversation that we opened up about mothers and babies and who are still trying to find each other, we're hoping that the Irish government will listen to that and be forthcoming and helpful. And they have been to some extent already, but we hope they continue that conversation with the Philomena projects.
Like added pressure, or are you kind of ready to enjoy the night?
No, ready to enjoy it. I think we're getting used.
So I think that this whole endeavour is special, and also it's a great opportunity to catch up with gossip,
Oh, he's a real diva. Oh, God.
Chris.
Oh.
No, he's really nice. He's one of the nicest people you could work with. He's just brilliant.
He's so down to earth as well, and he's just so sound, and he's absolutely hilarious. He's just one of the funniest people. He's just hilarious.
Like, if you ever have a problem with the person to go with, he's never afraid to give you any advice or help. He's just brilliant.
Beautiful, yeah. The weather's changeable, but that's Ireland for you. But it's
doing very well.
Yeah, so we're shooting right there in the Park Nasilla Hotel.
We're here tonight nominated for The Vikings, which is on American television at the moment and doing very well. It's into its second season in America, first season here in Ireland, and we just got the green light for Vikings 3. So we start the third season shooting on the 2nd of June.
I've been in Ireland for the last few days, and it's great to kind of be back home and been working with Simon Delaney. We've had lots of brainstorming. Basically, we've been having way too much fun. This does not feel like work. So I don't know at what stage it's going to feel like work. I think it's going to be one big party. But you shouldn't tell them I said that because they mightn't pay me.